Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the second video in my Decorate With Me series, and today I'll be sharing how I transformed the birthday space. The client gave me an inspiration picture, and my challenge was to recreate a similar design with a stylish table setup while maintaining a tight budget. Stick around to see the full process, some styling tips, and of course, the final reveal. To design the backdrop, I needed to determine what color was used. I created a 6x4 feet artboard in Illustrator to fit the size of my backdrop and uploaded the image. I used the color picker to pick the color and add it to my palette. Next, I selected my preferred font and uploaded my images for the backdrop. The reference picture was for a 4-year-old, and the theme was for a forever magical birthday, which wouldn't be appropriate for a 35-year-old. Therefore, I decided to go with flowers instead. Once the design was finished, I sent it to the printer to have the banner done. Next, I needed to determine what color of balloons were used. I decided to try out the Garland pastel matte. I retained the yellow, pink, and green colors, but removed the orange, blue, and purple colors. I double stuffed the yellow with white Garland balloons and added Tuftex Canyon Rose and Tuftex Cameo. The venue was quite spacious, which I love, and I couldn't wait to transform it. Kindly leave your comments and let me know what you think about the process. I look forward to hearing from you. All right, let's do this. that's it, guys. Let me know what you think about the design. I absolutely love reading your comments. Kindly like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and share the video. See you on the next one. Bye.